The next thing we're going to look at is how to make a tower. Generally, people are going to have a tower in the center and then 2 towers on the side, but if you don't want to have all those, you don't have to. The first thing you need to do is to draw a line to the right of the center line. Okay, then we're going to draw a line to the left of the center line. Okay, so we have our basic cylinder shape. To make this look rounded like a cylinder and not squared off, excuse me, we need to make the top rounded and the bottom rounded. If you're trying to make something look rounded and it's above the horizon line, you're going to have a frown line. If you want to make it look rounded and it's below the horizon line, you're going to have a smile line. If you're doing a theme or want a different shape for the tower, you can just go ahead and do that. The next thing is you're going to erase the center. If you only want the tower in the center, then you're done. If you want towers on the side, you need to figure out how tall they'll be and how far down they will come. A mistake that people make often is they just make the towers on the side the same size. So they'd make them like that. That obviously wouldn't be true, so we have to figure out how tall this one will be and how tall that one will be. The way you figure that out is you put your ruler on the bottom center area of the first tower that you made, and then have it touch the vanishing point on the side that you want your tower. So again, my ruler is on the bottom of my first tower in the center, and it's also touching my vanishing point on the left side. Then I know that I want my tower to be here, so I'm going to make a line against my ruler where I want the tower to be. So now I know that the tower is going to come down about that far. So now I have to do the same thing with the top. I'm going to put my ruler on the top center of the tower and then on the vanishing point on my left hand side and make a line where I want my tower to be. So now that I know how tall it is and how far down it'll go, I can go ahead and make that. When I make it, it should also be a little bit thinner than the tower in front. Even though it's the same size, it's going to appear a little bit thinner. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to make a smiley face down here. And a frowning face up here. And erase any extras. Okay, the other side's going to be exactly the same, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. So put my ruler in the top center of my tower and my right vanishing point. Make a mark where I want my tower. The bottom center of my tower, my right vanishing point, and then make a mark. Now I'm going to make my 2 lines for the sides of my tower. Try to make it somewhat even with the other one over here. And then I'm going to make a frowny face, a smiley face. Erase any extra.